Hi, I'm Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a 7 treasures spell using the 7 treasures spell kit that we have here at the Parlor of Wonders. I love this spell, and I'll tell you why. Many times people come to me and they said, Madam Pamita, I want to do a spell for prosperity, but I also need to work on my love life, and I also need to work on my career, and I need to do all these things. So here's a spell where you can encompass opening up treasures not just in one area but in 7 different areas. So oftentimes we say with the spell, focus on one area, just do the spell for that, but this one is very different. We can open up treasures in one main area, but we can also open up our blessings and our good stuff coming to us in other areas of our life. Now, you want to choose your main candle, the treasure candle color, based on what it is that you most want to open up. So that's where we're going to put our first intention, but we're also going to have 6 other colored candles that are going to bring in other blessings in other areas. So for example, let's say your main focus, the main thing you want to work on is romance. Well, then you would pick a pink treasure chest, but you'll have some other colored candles besides pink to bring in those other blessings in other areas. If you wanted to focus on passionate relationship, you could do a red candle. If you wanted to focus on your healing, you would do a blue candle. If you wanted to focus on protection, a black candle. If you wanted to focus on power, you would do a purple candle. If you wanted to focus on your court case or your legal matters, a brown candle. General blessings overall, you would focus with a white candle, white treasure candle. If you wanted to have fame or recognition or success, you would do a yellow treasure candle. If you wanted prosperity, you would use an orange candle, and so on. But if you wanted to focus on breakthroughs or new opportunities or opening up opportunity in many areas, then you would get an orange treasure chest. Now, no matter what color treasure chest you're going to get 6 other candles in 6 other colors where you can bring in those blessings in those areas as well. So let's talk about how to do this spell. Well, in the spell kit, you're going to get the full instructions that we're going to talk about here on this video. You're going to get that treasure chest candle. You're going to get 6 additional candles, making a total of 7 candles. So that's where the 7 treasures come in. You're going to get that oil that opens up your opportunities or brings in your blessings in whatever way that you focus that main candle, that main color on. And you're going to get 4 packets of herbs that help to support your intentions. Now, the things you have to bring are, of course, a tray or a dish to burn your candle spell on. You want a pretty big one because this candle takes up a lot of space because you've got all these candles going. You want to have some matches or a lighter, of course, a pen or a pencil to write with, and a petition paper to write on. You're also going to want a piece of cloth or a brown paper bag to wrap your spell remains in once you're complete. Once you've gathered all of these things together, now you're ready to get started. So the very first thing we're going to do is to write our petition paper out. So since we're working with an orange candle, we could do a petition that is a more general petition just for opening up opportunities in lots of areas. So may opportunity open up for me in prosperity, love, success, and health. Those are the ones I'm thinking out. See, you can put your spell in a lot of different directions with this particular spell kit, so it's kind of great. We're going to set that petition aside for now, and we're going to dress our candles. Now, you're going to dress all of the candles all in an upward motion with your oil that comes with the kit. In this case, I have Open Roads oil, which is about opening up opportunities, but we're going to open up opportunities in many different areas. So we're going to place that oil on our treasure chest, and we're going to put that oil on in an upward motion from the base toward the wick and apply it all over. We're going to be putting some herbs on this candle, so we want to get it nice and covered. Then we're going to put oil on all of the individual candles. As we're doing this, we can focus that energy on the color and what we're opening up. So for example, we could work with the red candle opening up passion, the blue candle opening up health, the pink candle opening up romance or friendship. The green candle opening up prosperity. And we could say petitions for each of these as we're putting the oil on each candle. Yellow for success or fame, and purple for power. Now the next thing we're going to do is to put the packet of herbs marked number 1, sprinkle those on top of the treasure candle, the treasure chest candle. As we do that, we can say our petition of what it is that we want. I want opportunity to open for me, lots of beautiful, helpful, happy, joyful opportunities to come my way. And then we're going to fold our petition paper toward us because we're opening up, bringing something to us. And place that on our dish or tray and place the main master candle. We call this a master candle, and these are support candles that we put that on top of our petition. The next thing we're going to do is to place these 6 candles around our master candle. Now we can do that in 2 ways. If the weather is warm enough, these beeswax candles are soft enough that you can just press them down and they'll stay. But if the weather's cold or your dish is cold, you might want to heat the candle bottom with a match or with a lighter and then press it down. So I'm going to do that right now and I'll be right back. So now I've done that. I've placed all 6 candles completely around my treasure candle, and now I'm ready to start to work with the rest of the herbs. So once I've done that, I can take this packet of herbs marked number 2 and I can open that up and sprinkle that around my spell. As I do that, I can say my intention of what it is that I'm wanting. I want to have beautiful opportunities open up, really great opportunities that open up my relationship, that open up my career, or whatever it is that you're wanting to work on. Again, we have another packet of herbs, packet number 3. We're going to sprinkle those around, saying the petition of what it is that we want in each area. We can look, we can talk about each area that we want, all of those 7 candles, all of those 7 areas that we really want to open up with our 7 treasures spell. And then finally, our last packet. Packet number 4, sprinkle those around, speaking our intention of what it is that we're wanting. You can see now why you need to have a big dish or a big tray for this one. It takes up a lot of space with all those candles. Okay, once we've sprinkled all the herbs, we're ready to light our candles. I recommend lighting the candle in the middle first, your treasure chest candle first, saying that the intention of that you open up blessings in all areas of your life. Open up my blessings of success. Open up my blessings of friendship. Open up my blessings in my health, my love. Open up blessings, financial abundance and growth. And open up blessings of power and confidence. So there you have that gorgeous 7 treasures spell. Now, once you have lit them, you want to let them burn when you're at home and you're awake. When you go to sleep at night or you leave the house, you want to snuff your candles out. Don't blow them out, and then relight them again once you wake up or once you come back home. Once your candles have burned completely, then your spell is complete. What you want to do at that point is take up all the candle remains, the wax, the herbs, everything that's left over. Either wrap it up in a piece of cloth or put it in a brown paper bag, and then keep it in your home, keep it in your business, keep it someplace where you're focusing that energy of the spell. And then when you see the manifestation of all of those things, you can bury your spell or you can leave it in the crossroads. So there you have it, a beautiful 7 treasures spell done with the 7 treasures spell kit that's available at parlorofwonders.com. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Madam Pamita, and I look forward to bringing another video to you very, very soon.